In here the graph gives us to know the number of cases after each Monday. In here the graph gives us to know that the independent variable is the number of weeks and the dependent variable is the number of cases, since the number of cases increase with the passage of time.
How the value of the function depends on the independent variable. First, we have to establish x are the weeks, so that means it's time, so it won't stop. Y is the number of cases that are registered every period, which means time. What does this mean? Well, because time doesn't stop, the x will always be growing independently from the number of cases. But the number of cases is represented per week, and supposing cases acts in a constant way, the week number will define how many cases there are, making it a dependent variable.
This function is a polynomial because all terms are whole numbers and all exponents are positive. It can also be considered a quadratic function because the leading coefficient has a quadratic exponent. This function has an increasing interval from 5 to 13. The minimum of this graph is 1, and the last maximum is 18,926.
The newspaper article did not present it in the best format because it wasn't per se in a graph, which would have been very easy for us to find out the function. We had to actually craft the function ourselves in order to find the graph and fully present it as asked. Well, we found the function in the newspaper article where all the data was presented. This was where the data was showed and the numbers of the actual people with COVID-19 and the recovered and the deaths were shown. There was no graph per se, but there was just like a table with numbers.
The reason why we choose this function is because the variables are really remarkable and easy to understand in a relation.